Ito ang aking pangako, pag-ibig na di maglalaho. To be patient, to be kind and to be true, to love and to be loved by you.
Chika Minute, the way Tita Shawi kisses Belle is really jowa ng pamangkin ko, and I'm living for it. Nakakakilig, napakilala na kasi, dati pa, matagal na. Nakakatawa na makita na close siya sa lahat ng tito ni Master Donnie Pangilinan.